Hey guys, I've been getting loads of requests off clients asking how to put their own lashes on. So I cannot take the responsibility for this little trick, but it's helped me because I am rubbish at putting my own lashes on, and I can now get them on, so it's great. So these are a pair of, I've just lost one. These are a pair of Eldora lashes. These are just like the 153s, which are real natural one, but they're a lot of brides have these as well because they're an upper for a natural lash. So I'm going to show you my little trick. So you've got to check first your lash is the right size for your eye. So if I'm trying to work in a mirror and show you at the same time, so you've got to check it's at the right place on your eye. So if you gently place it on, and check it's in the right angle, and then generally I always need a smidge taken off the end. So I'm going to chop a little bit off there. I'm not putting any glasses on. And then take the same off the other one, with the other side. I'm taking that off there as well. And then, as usual, you are going to take your little glue. So this little glue comes in the packet, and the Eldora glue lid turns around and becomes a lid for your glue, so you can save it, which is great. So you're going to pop a little bit of glue out of here, put that on the spine. So this spine on this lash is quite a thin, really fine seam, but you'll get some of the other ones that are a lot thicker. So generally the thicker ones, I personally think that the glue needs to be left for a little bit. On the ones that are more finer, like these, I don't know if you can see it because it's like, let's zoom in on that. Can you zoom in on that? No, never mind. It's more like almost looks like cotton. So I think with the cotton being a bit more like a porous, it kind of absorbs the glue. That's my theory behind it. Whether that is right, I do not know. So pop a bit of glue along there, and then you leave that to one side, pop it on your lash thing, leave it and let it start to dry. And then while you're waiting for that, put yourself some mascara on, draw yourself your liner in. So I like, for me, because I've got a hooded eye and mine always prints off on the top, or I always lose my wing on the side. So I like this one from Illamasqua, which is waterproof, and this is Precision Ink. This is Abyss, and I think they do a couple of different colours of this. They do like a glitter one and everything. It's already got like a little pen on the end. So I would normally go in here, because I've got a slightly smaller eye as well. I kind of take my eye, I do a bit of a kohl pencil on the upper waterline on this side, and I don't take my eyeliner so much on the outer bit, just because I feel like it makes my eye look even smaller, because I've got this tiny eyelid. And then you're going to use your tweezers and take the back of the tweezers, so the opposite end to what you'd normally use. Take your glue, pop a little bit of glue on, it's dripping, so if you need to, just take the excess off your hand. So you have a little bit on the end there, and then along where you put your eyeliner, you're going to dot a little bit. Concentration. So particularly concentrating on the bits where your lash always lifts, so the two outer corners and then a little bit in the middle. Your body heat will dry that off a little bit faster than the glue on the lashes. And then you're going to take off the glue on the back of there so you don't stick it all over your hand. I only do one eye at a time as well, because if I open my eyes too much now, I'll glue my eyelids to the top, and then it's really annoying all night. So you're then gonna pick up, I always say gonna, Then if you pick up your lash, now a lot of people, you'll know how you feel comfortable putting your lashes on, for those of you that can put them on almost. But for anyone who wants to try it this way, I tend to start on the outer edge first rather than the middle. So pop the outer edge on and it should tack like contact adhesive to your lash, and then if you push the two together, so you're pushing your lashes and the lash together, and then you're going to nip in the other side. So I don't really work too much on the middle, which I think is what most people generally do first, but when you got this end on and you tuck this end in, the middle naturally comes in on itself, by itself, and then I just kind of go across and push them all together. You want to make sure you can't see a gap in between your lashes and the lashes you just put on, and that they're touching. So there you go, there's one on, and it's on and you can't tell, so that's good. So the glue, just got to wait for the glue to go off completely on that, because you can still see the glue a tiny bit, but then if you go over the top with your eyeliner again and just draw over the top of where the glue is, and it'll just hide your seam. There you go. One is on. And I couldn't do it for 10 years of doing makeup, and I got a lash on. Excuse me. There we have it. So the one on. So again, take a little bit of your eyeliner and we are just going to go over the top there. This is like a lash technique for dummies. It is the easiest. They are on. And even I can do it. I've not been able to do my own lashes for about 10 years, and this lady just came in and said, no, you want to do it like this, and she pops her lashes on every single day. They clock on so easy, so I hope that this works for you. Try it, comment below, let me know if it works. It is slightly different to the other techniques that are out there, so I'm hoping that this tiny little tweak will make things 10 times easier. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Enjoy, bye bye. Now I've got like a shadow across my face there, like.
So what?
The phantom of the opera is there inside my